Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. This is Tisha Jain and you're watching the Reality Rundown. Let's take a look at the top 10 stories making headlines today. In a significant drug bust, Bijli police apprehended a suspected drug smuggler in the town's wholesale market area. The arrested individual, 49-year-old Ahiz Mia, a resident of Kavatika, was found with a scooty and 23 containers filled with suspected heroin, along with an additional empty container. Over 40 residents of Sonapur, Assam have approached the Supreme Court alleging willful violation of an interim order issued on September 17, which prohibits demolition without prior permission. In their plea, the petitioners seek to initiate contempt proceedings against those allegedly responsible for gross, deliberate and willful contempt of the court's order. A young prodigy from Assam, 7-year-old Nishtha Shikha Bora, has made her hometown proud by setting a world record at Springfield Christian University in the United States. A student at Siddhivinayak Dance Academy in Tejpur, Nishtha Shikha showcased her exceptional talent in a dance competition, performing 20 front flips, 20 pickups and 20 headstand rolls, securing the coveted world record. Schools in Assam's Kamrup Metro District will revert to regular timing starting October 1, 2024, following enhanced security measures after a recent fatal stabbing incident in a nearby area. All government, provincialized and private educational institutions are instructed to follow their standard schedules, superseding previous orders. This decision affects all schools within the district. To combat insurgency and ensure peace in Manipur, security forces have ramped up area domination and search operation in the state's vulnerable hill and valley district. Joint teams from the Manipur Police and Indian Army conducted these operations, resulting in significant recoveries of arms and explosives. The Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee has expressed shock at the baseless allegation made by MLA and advisor Imkong L. Imchen regarding a rally promoting a cow slaughter ban scheduled for Kohima. In Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, SIT Chief Sarvashrestha announced that crime number 470 has been registered at the local police station. The investigative team, which arrived yesterday, conducted initial meetings and is currently preparing an action plan. In Dhading, Nepal, authorities have recovered the bodies of 29 individuals from the Chapli River after a landslide on the Prithvi Highway. Officials are urging families of missing persons to reach out for identification and assistance. In Chhattisgarh's Bijapur district, 5 jawans were injured in an IED blast planted by Maoists in the Thana Tarin area while conducting demining operations from the Chinnagelur CRPF camp. ASP Chandrakant Govarna confirmed that the soldiers were injured while detecting an IED during their mission to defuse explosives. 3 days of intermittent rain in Rai Bareli have led to significant waterlogging in areas such as Balapur and Shaktinagar, inundating homes and creating hardship for residents across multiple wards. The persistent rainfall has disrupted daily life and prompted concern among the affected communities. With that, we wind up our today's bulletin. For more such updates, keep watching Such the Reality.